Welcome guys. Let's do QI token technical analysis and price prediction for this bull run. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join me on Telegram and Twitter, links are in this video's description. And please watch this video complete because in this video I am going to show you my new charts and targets. Current rank of QI is 546. Price of QI is $0.22 right now and it is avalanche based token. Market cap of this token is $74 million. Fully diluted market cap of this token is $1.65 billion, which is huge. 24-hour trading volume of this token is $42 million. And circulating supply of this token is 3.25 billion. And total and maximum supply of this token is 7.20 billion. And let me please show you some statistics. After that, I will show you charts. All-time high of this token was on August 24, 2021, about 3 months ago. Price was 40 cents. All-time low of this token was on August 19, 2021, about 3 months ago. And what is this token? Let me please show you. Benqui is a decentralized non-custodial liquidity market protocol built on the high-speed Avalanche smart contract network. The protocol allows users to lend, borrow, or earn interest using their digital assets. It is available on these exchanges. Let me please show you. Binance, KuCoin, Gate.io. And if you want to get this token on Binance exchange, just go to in this video's description or comment section where you can get this link. This is Binance exchange link. Click on this link and create your account, and after initial deposit you can grab $710 bonus, which is absolutely free. You can also grab $5,680 bonuses of these exchanges. Just click on these links and create your accounts, and after initial deposit you can grab these bonuses. These bonuses are absolutely free and these bonuses are tradable. Just trade with these bonuses only and put your seed money away. This is risk-free trading strategy. Let me please show you website of this token. This is website. Total liquidity unlocked $4.11 billion. And this is website. Please do your own research before investing in this token. And please visit this website. Let me please show you first chart. This is QI USDT 4-hour Binance chart, and price of QI is 22 cents right now, and it is in this falling channel. And this is upper trend line, this is downtrend line. Once it broke this upper trend line, in that case next target is this area, 31 cents price area. After that 32, 34 and $38 price area are minimum targets. And if unfortunately it rejected as it was rejected previously, then it can go down to hit this zone again. 20 cents may be this downtrend line, which is at 17 cents price area. But this is a strong support for this token. Let me please show you volume. There is a very good volume in this token. That is why I think it can broke this channel, and it can easily hit my targets very soon. Let me please show you EMA ribbon. Candles broke this EMA ribbon, and that is very good sign. This is meaning that it is very bullish right now. Let me please show you other indicators. First of all, RSI. 4-hour RSI is at 54 and it crossed 50. That is very good sign. This is the sign that price definitely will go up. And let me please show you MACD. MACD crossover towards upside and green towers are coming. This is also an indication that price definitely will go up. And this is very good sign. And if it broke this downtrend line, in that case there is a strong support waiting for this token is at this area. This area is very important to hold, and it is at 16.30 cents. And let me please show you second chart. This is QI USDT daily chart, and here you can see it was rejected several times from this zone, 29 to 30 cents price area, and now it is at 23.87 price cents price area. And we have to be very careful, and once it broke this upper trend horizontal resistance, in that case it will hit these targets. Let me please show you a very important pattern, and this is cup and handle pattern. That was cup and that was handle, and definitely it is a cup and handle pattern. If I calculate this from bottom to top, in that case let me please arrange this chart. Once it broke this area, this price area, in that case it can easily hit this area, which is 52.8 cents price area, which is very important, and it will create new all-time high. But before this we have to wait until it broke 30 cents price area and close daily candle above this. In that case it can hit 34 cents, 38 cents, 41 cents and 52 cents. These are the targets for this token. Note down these targets, and let me please show you some indicators. First of all, volume. We need strong volume confirmation in daily chart. Unfortunately, daily volume is very low. Let me please show you EMA ribbon. Candles are above from this EMA ribbon, and now this EMA ribbon is turning as a strong support. That is a very good sign. Let me please show you RSI. Daily RSI is at 57 and it is bullish, and that is very good sign. And MACD crossover towards downside, red towers are coming. Maybe price can see some, we may see some price drop, but until now we have to wait. And let me please add this support area. This is very strong support area, which is 19 cents price area. If price drop, in that case 19 cents is a very strong support area. Let me please show you target according to the support and resistance base. According to the support and resistance base, next target it can hit 38 cents price area, but for this we have to wait until it broke 29 to 30 cents price area, and it is very important to break this area. And let me please show you target for this bull run. I think it can easily hit $1.10 price area. It can be hit this target. This is my final target, $1.10, maybe 1.20 cents price area. These are two targets, $1.10, $1.20. Maybe price can hit both targets. This is my technical analysis, guys. If you like this, then please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon right now. Please share this video with all of your crypto family and crypto friends. And if you want to grab these bonuses, total bonus of $5,680 bonus of Binance, Fimex, Bybit, KuCoin, Huobi and FTX exchanges, just go to in this video's description or in this video's comment section, where you can get these links. Click on these links and create your account, and after initial deposit you can grab these bonuses. These are absolutely free bonuses. Just click on these links and create your account, and after initial deposit you can grab these bonuses. These bonuses are tradable. Just trade with these bonuses only. Put your seed money away. This is risk-free trading strategy. Thanks for the watching, and always keep supporting me. Take care.